Good morning to you. It's a little chilly today. Okay, we are getting ready to try to get some joists rolled in here. So we got all of our joists. Did you get a picture of that? I guess you got pictures of us unloading. Anyway, we got our joists here. We unloaded part of them. We're getting ready to set some of them. At the same time, we're also backfilling the garage. Did you get pictures of the ramp last time?
What ramp? Oh, this ramp? No.
So this is how we're getting in and out of the garage with the rock, and then we tamp it in with the plate compactor. This will be the garage door opening. That's why I don't mind if the styrofoam gets beat up a little bit, because we're not stacking on top of it. So I filled in with rock all the way to the concrete, and then started dumping rock on both sides. Put dirt out here for a ramp, put rock in there for a ramp, and now I can get inside of there instead of having to shovel it all, because that's what Dan and I were doing at first, and we knew that that was either going to take 5 years or kill us, one of the two, or both. So we got to get all of that rock into that hole eventually. Oh. Avalanche. All right, to the inside. Get tape?
No. Let's go grab tape.
He went to get a tape.
The tapes are in there probably.
Can this be filled?
Yes. All of this? Yes. Just haven't done it yet.
No, but I can fill it.
Yeah.
In where it doesn't.
Huh?
I didn't see it there.
Nowhere in here?
Against the inside.
Alright, so we're like 203 and 5/8.
While
So
they're
let's
doing
just
that.
go 203 and that'll put a quarter on each side.
Okay.
So 203. And this one.
What did he say?
This isn't very much fun at all.
Yeah, there's no rail.
I know.
That and the scaffolding doesn't.
You got it hung all over you.
I know. God damn it. What is it hung on? Oh my God.
It's around your head, I think.
Or your inside hood.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God, I wish I had that on film.
I think Lexi did.
I think she's got some of it on film.
Lexi,
Yeah?
you're a pain. This way, just sitting on the sawhorses. Good.
good.
What do you think?
Right in the center. Alright, hold up just a second.
Okay.
Back up. Alright.
You got it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
You can't go any taller.
Still got it?
Yeah.
There we go.
Bouncy, bouncy.
Come back. Come back. Come back.
Better get out of there,
What
dog.
the hell's going on?
Wind? Can you keep pushing?
No, not yet. I can't get it straight enough to push.
Like it?
Dude. Shit. It's the first one that did that.
What happened?
Save the day right there.
You did her. OSHA approved.
Alright. Coming down.
I can. I didn't.
That's not even close to fit.
Hey, it's too short.
Whatever.
Yes. We're gonna get, yep, through there.
You got screws still.
I do.
We're a long way up. I don't know, Dan.
Turned over.
Did we forget a top plate?
Measure? I don't think so. Somebody else may want to grab that 2x right there.
With me?
Carrie?
Yep.
Push that way.
Hang on.
Coming.
Carrie's gonna get it to where it doesn't kick. Just hold the belt. Yep, there you go.
Oh, the one's gonna catch you.
That's fun. We're gonna go there. Turnabout's fair play, I guess.
Take your time. Take your time.
Watch that doesn't come in and pinch your back.
Like that?
Let's turn it. Okay, ready.
That would be preferable.
I'll measure on both sides.
It's a ½ inch off.
Is that all we're off? Yeah, we can do these saws all day. I'll let you do this one or get the saws on.
He was being very careful, wasn't he?
He didn't want to break the piece of wood after we gave him crap.
It's very true.
Let's see if he will.
Oh, good.
Hey Dustin, we're good.
Actual hammer over here.
You want to pull all those nails, don't you?
Yes.
Put new ones in.
Yes.
You've already broke one lever, hadn't he? This hammer, it's not broken.
Finger's optional.
The top will be level.
I didn't think those steps were that bad.
Like it?
Yep.
That's the one I said broke.
Okay.
Okay, now you can keep kick out from happening. Alex and I'll, okay, Dan, Alex and I'll stand it. George, can you handle that kicker?
Yeah.
Can I help you on something? I don't know, there's a bunch of guys here. Watch.
Alright, where did the line go?
I do not know.
Well, shit, now we're an inch short.
Dustin? Somebody needs to kick him.
There's the line.
Can I do it?
Where's my sledge-o-matic?
Yeah, you can do it, Amy. Yes.
That's looking pretty good, but we need to come this way.
Too far? See if it works. Looks good. We're good. You can see it up there.
Yes.